clearly kidnapping.
Ma'am, mag-apply po ba si PRRD ng interim release?
Interim.
That is something that I cannot comment on because it's a legal strategy. So what I would leave that to the lawyers if the lawyers would like to talk to the media. But I will not comment on legal strategy. I'll also add that because I told him a lot of people are crying. They are depressed, hurt, stressed about what happened and what is happening right now and what is happening in the country. And then he said, sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ang lahat.
Yes.
So I'm remembering this from kasi I cannot take notes, I cannot take a ball pen and pen din. So, sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ng lahat. There will be a day of reckoning for all.
Okay. Mahal na mahal po ang Duterte family ng mga OFW at mga Pilipino po sa bansang Pilipinas. Ngayon, grabe po yung emosyon ng mga Pilipino dahil mahal po nila si PRRD at kayo po.
Yeah.
So may mensahe po ba kayo para sa lahat ng mga Pilipino?
Yes. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan. Mag-English ba ako, sir?
Yes, Tagalog na.
Okay.
For Philippines.
For the Philippines. Wag Bisaya, Tagalog please. Tagalog. We're feeling to from the audience.
Okay. Sige. So, gadget lang ha. Gadget lang. I'll start with first off, I'd like to thank all our countrymen for your prayers and your profound support to the former presidents. We can feel your love. We can feel your anger. We can empathize with everyone's rage about what happened. And let us not be let us not forget the real issues in our country, and that is the poverty, that is corruption, that is the failure of the government to answer the demands from the people about accountability and transparency, and the failure of the government to address peace and security in our